Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
What's your Ismail?
Yeah.
Ismail, na? Right.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
So in battery, anode is positive terminal, cathode is negative terminal. Whereas, in by this part, periodic table, cation is what? Positive, that is by donor. Donor means what? It has an ability to donate the electrons. Okay. And anion is what? Negative. Negative is what? Acceptor. See, if you will accept any, if your dad has given you some penny, it what if you have 100 bucks already? Your dad has given to you $5 more. So you will have what? More bucks. Correct? An electron is what? Negative charge. If we will take more electrons, it will be what? Highly negative. And if you will lose, if you will give your some of the suppose 10 or 30 penny to your brother or sister, you will have less. Similarly, if the electrons will give, if the any of the element will give electrons, it will become what? Positive charge, right? Because they have donated the electron.
Yeah.
Electron is what? Negative. If I give to someone, then it will be what? Positive charge. So don't have to remember it if you understand the concept part. Now is this clear? So up till four, what I said, neglect this one. I'm not talking about the B section. I'm talking only about the A section. Okay, up till here, from here to here. Fine. So 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4 are known as what? Metals. Why they are metals? Because they are cation. They have an ability to donate the electrons. Okay, 3210 are known as what? Non-metals. Why non-metals? Because they are anion. Now see here, electron. Zero is what? Total stable. They don't have the requirement of the electron. They are already octet in state.
Yeah.
Understood, beta?
Yeah.
Okay, they are already octet in state. So they, helium, neon, argon, they don't have the krypton. They don't have the uh, requirement of the electrons. So chlorine. So chlorine needs how many electrons? Tell me.
Sorry?
Chlorine needs how many electrons?
For which one?
Chlorine. Chlorine.
Oh, chlorine. Needs.
How many electrons? See, beta?
Uh,
Above chlorine, how much is written? See, don't just go and see here and there. Above chlorine, how many electrons is, how many acceptor electrons are there? Only one. Sodium is donator. How many electrons it can donate? Only one. Just like magnesium, if I'm talking about the magnesium, how many electrons it can donate? Two. So magnesium will react with oxygen. That's why you might have seen MgO, because oxygen need how many electrons? Two. Understanding the point a lot?
yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. I understand.
Okay. Understand?
Yeah.
Magnesium doesn't react with chlorine. Yeah, magnesium will react if it will become MgCl2. Why? Because magnesium, if I open my whiteboard, is totally too much dirt. See, magnesium MgCc. Here, magnesium will give one electron to my chlorine. Still, one electron is what? Unstable. Because of that reason, one chlorine will be added so that this electron will join with magnesium or some any other element will join. Doesn't matter. But there will
Yeah.
be two electron magnesium will donate. And it will become what? 2 plus and chlorine will become what? 2 minus. Why 2 minus? Because chlorine has taken 2 electrons. Magnesium has given 2 electrons.
Yeah.
Understood this part?
Yeah.
Any doubt here?
Sorry?
Any doubt?
Uh, you know
I will ask you
for
the question.
okay, you know for 2 plus and 2 minus, do you find that because how much electrons there are?
Sorry. Please pardon. How
So
many?
how you put 2 plus and 2 minus, is that how much electrons there are so they can balance out?
Magnesium 1, 2. Magnesium is how many electrons donating? 2 electrons. That's why it
Yeah.
becomes 2 plus. Chlorine. Chlorine is 1. But how many chlorines we have added? 2 chlorines. That's why it will become what? Mg2 plus chlorine 1 Cl2. So 1 for 1 chlorine and 1 another for 1 more chlorine. So it will become what? Minus 2. There are two
Okay.
chlorines, na? There are two chlorines, na? One minus, one minus. If we add it up, it will become what? Cl2 minus, na?
Yeah, yeah.
Now, any doubt? I will ask you
No.
the question.
Okay.
Shall I ask you the question? Right.
Yeah.
Very good. That's the spirit. Okay. See this and tell me what will happen if I combine Al and N. Suppose I have combined this. Is it possible to combine aluminium with nitrogen?
Yeah.
How? Explain me.
Because for aluminium has
How many electrons aluminium can donate?
uh, 3
Very good. So it will become negative charge or positive charge.
negative charge.
Very good. So this is anion or cation.
Uh,
Now how to
cat,
remember? This is very difficult thing. Very difficult
is it
to
cation
remember.
because
See, negative charge from what? N. So this is there is two N's are there. So this will become what? Anion. Most of the students have a difficulty to remember what is anion, what is cation. That's why I'm saying. Here is what?
uh,
Negative, negative, and N, negative, negative. So it will become what? Anion or cation?
uh,
Sorry, this is
and
cathode.
I think it's a cation.
So this is what? Anion or cation?
Uh, which one, the nitrogen or aluminium?
Aluminium. Aluminium is what? Positive charge or negative charge, beta? 3 electrons you have
Cation,
said. What?
cation.
Cation. Because this is a positive charge. Very good. Because this is a metal. Okay. Now about nitrogen. Tell me.
It's got 5 electrons.
How many
5.
electrons? How many electrons it can accept? I'm talking the
Uh,
accepting.
oh, is it?
Just write it down now. One, two. Why you are using so much of brain? Smile. See here. Smile. See here, Bitu. 1, 2. Just write this formula. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1, 0. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Such a easy way. Correct?
Yeah,
Memorizing so many things. Why should we have to give so much pressure to our brain?
yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1, 0. That's it. So how many electrons the nitrogen will accept?
Nitrogen will accept 3.
Very good. So this is cation and ion.
Anion
Very good. Metal, non-metal?
is metal.
Cation are donors are metal. Donors are metal. Very simple. See how to write it. Not mental. Metal. Negative is what? N.
Uh,
N. 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 Why to remember so much of things? Correct.
yeah, yeah.
Easy peasy.
All right.
Right. In
Yeah.
metal there is no N. So leave it now for this part. Cathode part,
Yeah,
positive part.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now you will
nitrogen's a
remember
gas.
what?
Yeah. Nitrogen's a gas.
Hmm.
Nitrogen. Yeah.
Fine. So it will become what? Non-metal.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Ismail, I have another class after 15 minutes. So, shall
Oh,
I? Have you enjoyed the session?
yeah. It's very fun. Thank you.
Very nice. So, have you learned it or not? Enjoyment is for learning part. Have you learned it or
I
not?
understand. I understand easily how to find the groups like 1, 2 instead of thinking it all in your brain. I just
Yes.
found it out and just so yeah, it's pretty easy for me. And
This thing you have, your teachers have not taught you in this way.
no,
No. In India, we teach students like this.
that's fine. That's fine. I understand.
This is the easiest way to learn it. In this way, we have also learned it.
Yeah.
That's why. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Hello, sir. Please unmute yourself. Okay, I'm stop recording it and give it to Gia ma'am also.